Hey guys, today I am in New Brunswick, which is about 7-8 hours away from where I live. So I decided that I'd do kind of like a vlog since I'll be here for the day. Possibly the full day tomorrow, maybe not, we're not sure. But I'll be filming for like the rest of my trip here. It's Grandma! So we went to Sport Expert, which is a sports store. Oh, look at me. Wait. Go. Daddy! Where are we going right now?
Said you were.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Now we're on our way back. Oh my god. Oh.
Is it cold?
It's Canada!
April though.
It's April?
It's April. Where's the summer heat and the sun and why is there still a pile of snow there?
So we just came to Montreal to stop this little thing right here. We just had lunch at Press Cafe and it's real good. We stole a lot of marshmallows for our hot chocolate, but it's okay. The marshmallow jar is empty, but it's all good.